Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic: stagflation and real estate prices. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Stagflation refers to an economy that is experiencing a simultaneous increase in inflation and stagnation of economic output. Stagflation was first recognized during the 1970s when many developed economies experienced rapid inflation and high unemployment as a result of an oil shock. Today, the country is in a situation in which the inflation rate is high, the economic growth rate slows, and unemployment remains steadily high. It presents an economic dilemma for Fed policy, since actions intended to lower inflation may exacerbate unemployment. Unemployment is not steadily high. It shot up worse than the Great Depression. Recently, much of the growing U.S. inflation is hidden in forms of quantitative easing, repo market repurchases, stock market bubble, food, housing, goods, household goods, fuel, energy, building materials, housing price increases, and higher taxes. Those are all things that are inflationary, but they are hidden. They're hidden from view. These hiding places of inflation allow real inflation to hover around 10% or more, while the official inflation numbers are presented as only around 2%, which is not realistic. Shortages are another sign of cloaked inflation pressure. Stagnation and inflation risks continue to mount, with a growing possibility of a nightmare scenario. Just as the Great Depression of 2020 is pushing, forcing, and separating the middle class into categories of richer and poorer, today's panic-fueled dynamo of rapid change leads to differentiation and bifurcation of real estate markets as neighborhoods get pressed and separated into winners and losers. The chief winners are currently the suburban neighborhoods that have been labeled as safer, while the losers are inner-city neighborhoods and neighborhoods with reputations for higher crime, etc. Big cities bear the brunt of crazy virus hysteria. Downtown Los Angeles and other big cities see falling home values and dwindling real estate markets, while suburban towns like Cypress, California, enjoy growing home equity and population growth. Downtown LA has suffered among the worst over the last 2 years, with a median sold home price drop in September of $33,000. This is on top of a drop of $35,000 the previous year, for a 2-year decline of $68,000 in the median downtown LA home price over the 2-year period. The decline in home values is also attributed to an explosion of third world style homeless tent encampments, along with litter and crime in downtown Los Angeles and many other Los Angeles neighborhoods. You can get a free, find out how much the home down the street sold for, get a free list of recently sold homes in any area, receive a detailed listing of all recent home sales, and active listings also in your area or any area. All right, so use this free form right here. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private previews available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.